Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, boys and girls, we have the binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 8147. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here no, there no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the 4th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes a 1. Then double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes no. Yeah, and now between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.